If you don't like a little bit of spiciness, like creeping up in the back. Hi everybody, this is Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have Sonic on the menu. Got a Coke Zero, got a foot long, got a large chili cheese tater tots, got some onion rings, and we're gonna begin. And I'm alone. Diva's stuffing her little face over there. She got the same thing as I did. Let me see. Go this way. First of all, I want to start off by saying, I mentioned to you all that I had made a Chick-fil-A video, a car one, but it was really bad. That video was not dedicated, but it was sponsored by my brother, Frank, and he's got a towing company, and I was promoting his towing company on my video, which is good. But the video was really bad, so I wasn't able to put it up. So I'm gonna, brother, I'm sorry. I know he watches me. I'm sorry about that, but we did enjoy the food, of course. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna be promoting you off on this one. If you're in the San Antonio area and you need a tow truck, my brother Frank Cardenas, he has a towing business, Cardenas Towing. I will be putting his business card on the beginning of this video, and then I also put his business information on the bottom of my description. He's got a beautiful truck, and it's not just a regular wrecker. It's one of those rollback trucks, those big huge ones. So very reasonable price. You won't regret it. Cool guy. He's my brother. Of course he's cool. I'm just playing. But anyway, yeah. So Frank Cardenas Towing, that's my brother. If you're here in San Antonio area and you need somebody, you need a tow truck, that would be a good person to call. And let's start. Okay, I'm gonna go in for this. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna go for it because y'all want me to be dirty. Oh my god.
She's not fat. She's everything wrong way with that is too.
I haven't had one of these in forever. Forever. I mean, I ate hot dogs at home. But
You're fat.
wow.
Like maybe the most.
Oh no, my bro. Chili cheese tater tots. Ah, it's simple. Smokey's here, y'all see him? Hey Smokey. Hey baby. Give mom a kiss. No? He's over here with me, Mia. He's over here in the video.
You want me to go?
Oh. He's fine. He's fine. What, baby? What's that? It's smelling. I don't know if y'all think that, but I think that they're the Sonic onions have like a sweet taste to them. Look at them. He's not doing anything. I'd rather have him here than being a pain in the butt.
Yep.
Oh, there he goes. To his spot.
Junior. ¿Te Jason? ¿Qué chocolate? You want this one?
There's some donuts I think.
Jace, you want to about donuts?
So, yeah.
Thank you everybody for getting me to 1K. I truly appreciate y'all. For all the love y'all been showing me. Angelina J for pushing it to get me there. Everybody else I collab with, thank y'all. Like this. Smokey's staring at me like, ew, woman. One of my subbies, Sindoro, she recommended the movie Searching. If y'all haven't seen Searching, y'all need to watch that movie. It puts something in your mind. We think we know our kids, but we don't. We don't know them. Somebody can say, "Oh, I know everything about my daughter." About nope. We don't. I need to watch it. And when I put it on my IG story, even Angelina put on there. It's so good, and yeah. And that was just to prove to y'all that movie's to prove to y'all that no matter who it is, sometimes we think, oh, they're in good hands with so and so, whatever. Watch it and y'all see what I mean. I don't want to spoil it because it's good, but anyway.
Let's see. My crops are not ready yet.
I'm wearing new lip liner.
Cheese? Oh, my cheese is ready.
This it's NYX lip liner, and it's called STFU. So I guess it's shut the fuck up. That's what it's called. They have a lot of pretty colors, so I want to try. I'm getting it from behind my thing. I love their onions have like a sweet taste. I don't know if it's just me or what. My family, they're watching TV, so that's why I look over there. Dave, come here. Very slowly, just like turn it that way so that he can come out. This way. There he is. He's on now. When Dave doesn't come out with me, I'm smoking. I forgot to tell him to put onions. You know what? I should do my own hot dogs with the bacon. I love those. And then I like to put lettuce, tomato, and onion. I mean, not lettuce. Onion and tomato and some chilito like pico de gallo. It's delicious. I hope the lighting's better. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna tell y'all what they're watching. I'm gonna give y'all a line from it, and y'all let me know what it is. Wait. Oh, it's gonna be in Spanish, so y'all won't. I'm sorry. I'm too busy looking. Is this a line from it? A toda madre o un desmadre?
Yes.
Okay. That's a line from the movie they're watching. Y'all tell me if y'all know what it is. My brown brothers, that's what they say to the Mexicans in that movie. Sorry, no tortillas. I asked Diva if she wanted to do a video. She said no. And should other video coming out? Awesome. What? No. That was coming before this one. So, shit. I shouldn't have said that. Alright. Do you want some of my chili cheese? Tater tots. Where's Jay?
What?
You want some of my fried? Oh. You want some of my tater tots?
Are you okay there? Your mouth full? Of course. Diva gave me her hot dog.
You can have some. You can't have them all. See right here. Yeah, it doesn't matter. They know you're here. Fat ass.
I want them to see me.
Yeah, because they're going to be like, what happened to you today?
I know. All this fast food. Mmm.
We can hear him. ASMR that shit. Look at him. I still have a taste and you ate almost half.
I only had a taste.
Holy crap cakes.
It was only one bite.
What kind of donuts did you get? You got Dunkin' Donuts. I'm wearing mine. Jay said, "Were you gonna go farming?" And my pretty bird. Look at that.
Oh, it's me backwards. Look. Look at that. Voila!
Let me see.
You want the one with the cream?
That
right there.
Oh, I'm not gonna eat it right now. I'm gonna eat a little bit.
Yes.
Let me hurry up because now I want a donut. But you got a problem when you're trying to hurry up and eat food. I'm gonna
The
prep
bread
it too.
one junk food. You get the right ingredients.
I would rarely eat all beef hot dogs. I'll just eat whatever with themselves. But Jesus. Once I tasted all beef, the cheap flags, you don't want the regular ones anymore.
Arnold and one of those little triangles. Yeah, but everything else.
And then when I ate the donut from there, long dry.
What happened? Excuse me. You know, being a mukbanger, not easy. Food is expensive, and you might say that that's only $8 or $9. Yeah, when you have a family, you gotta feed everybody. It adds up. I mean, I like it. I love it. I love doing it. But I have noticed that people prefer fast food than homemade. It shows on my numbers, my views. It is what it is, right? But
I want you to, because they will come out tomorrow. They say they want you to listen to this. No. Es lo de dama.
This is how it is.
Yeah, we should listen to it. He said he did it like a quick one. Was his nephew?
that movie that I told y'all, if y'all know which one it is,
Show him this recording my nephew and I did a back recording. The other
sad how
night.
so many people have gone through stuff like that.
Me and the bass guitar.
El mundo de las gafas. Del vicio.
Yeah, that sounds good.
So we added the back to it and maybe from like so he can use the same.
Oh, excuse me. My last bite. I'm not gonna finish though. Okay. This is Sonic. Foot long. Chili cheese, tartar chili cheese, and onion rings. If you like what you see, please share my videos, comment, like, subscribe. And thank you everybody that's been coming my way. I truly appreciate y'all. I feel very blessed. And I thank each and every one of you. I love y'all. Until next time. Cloudy C. Bye.